Breaking news now coming in. Central government has filed its second affidavit in the sedition case in the Supreme Court, and Times Now has accessed that affidavit. Harish, Nilashish, my colleagues join us for more on this. But first up, going to Pratibha, who has the affidavit with her on the big screen. Over to you, Pratibha.
Poonam, this is the second affidavit that has been filed by the centre, and Times Now has accessed this. Let's show you the operative here. First up, talking about the few instances that are against the country, but very specifically mentioning concerns are raised about its application and abuse for the purpose not intended by law. And this is the fourth point here, very crucial. The Prime Minister of India has been cognizant of various views expressed on the subject and has also periodically in various forums expressed his clear and unequivocal views in favor of the protection of civil liberties, respect for human rights, and giving meaning to the constitutionally cherished freedoms by the people of the country. So here, looking at the centre is changing its stance on the sedition, and this is the fifth point here as well, saying the Honourable Prime Minister believes that at a time when our nation is marking Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we need to, as a nation, work even harder to shed colonial baggage that has passed its utility, which includes outdated colonial laws and practices. Remember, sedition has been criticized time and again as being a colonial era law. And here as well, saying that in that spirit, the Government of India has scrapped over 1,500 outdated laws since 2014-15. It has also ended over 25,000 compliance burdens, which were causing unnecessary hurdles to the people of our country. Various offences which were causing mindless hindrances to people have also been decriminalized. This is an ongoing process. These were laws and compliances which reeked of colonial mindset and thus have no place in today's India. So this is a second affidavit that has been filed, a clear change in the stance of the centre, hinting at the scrapping of the sedition law, Poonam.
Right now, Harish, some would say this is a watered-down view of the central government. In the first affidavit, they had only spoken of the misuse of the law. They said there was no need to reconsider that law or to scrap it. Now, in its second affidavit, the central government has told the Supreme Court that we're open to re-examination and reconsideration, but the central government will finish that exercise first, and only then the Supreme Court should take an appropriate order.
Filed by the centre is that it is the centre is ready to re-examine and re-evaluate, re-examine and reconsider the Section 124A, and it says that it is unequivocal that the misuse of sedition law must end, and therefore even the Prime Minister has supported this view, and he is part of the re-examination process. And very significantly, Supreme Court has said that till the centre completes the re-examination and review process, the Supreme Court should not pass any orders on petitions that have challenged the constitutional validity of Section 124A. So very, very big development as far as the sedition law is concerned, and this also comes in the backdrop of Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana making several observations, saying that it questioned whether the centre proposed to keep this archaic colonial law which was used to suppress freedom movement and arrest leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and is being widely used to stifle dissent and also crack down on free speech and expression.
Absolutely. Top legal voices are now reacting to this affidavit that has been filed by the Supreme Court as far as the reconsideration of the sedition law is concerned. For the moment, I thank you for joining us with the very latest. Shifting focus to more news coming in.